Hello fellow boomers, welcome back to our channel and happy new 2026. Today we're discussing one of the most significant moments in the AI industry. Nvidia, the chip giant everyone knows, has just completed before the holidays a deal with a company most of you probably haven't heard of before. Groq. It is Groq with a Q and has nothing to do with the AI model of Elon Musk. But make no mistake, this deal could completely change the rules of the game in the AI world. What makes this deal so special, and why is Nvidia, which already dominates the AI chip market, willing to invest billions of dollars in Groq's technology? The answer will surprise you, and it's related to a problem most people don't even know exists. Stay with me until the end, because I'm going to reveal exactly how this deal could affect each and every one of us, from your smartphone to the future of medicine. But before we dive in, if you're enjoying our content and want to stay updated on the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with friends who are interested in technology. Your comments also help us tremendously, so don't hesitate to ask questions or share your thoughts. Now, let's get started. First, it's important to clarify something that could be confusing. This is not a traditional acquisition. Nvidia didn't buy Groq the way tech companies usually buy startups. Instead, this is a non-exclusive licensing agreement with a particularly unique structure. What does this mean in practice? Groq remains an independent company, but Nvidia gets the right to use its advanced technology. Moreover, Jonathan Ross, the founder and brain behind Groq, along with part of his leadership team, are transitioning to work at Nvidia. But Groq continues to operate independently and can even grant licenses to other companies. This is what's called in the industry an acqui-hire, acquiring talent. But it's much more than that. We're talking about a strategic partnership aimed at combining Groq's innovative technology with Nvidia's enormous resources and market presence. To understand why Nvidia is so interested in Groq, you need to understand the difference between two central processes in artificial intelligence: training and inference. Training. This is the process where an AI model learns from massive amounts of data. It's like teaching a child to recognize cats by showing thousands of cat pictures. Inference. This is when the already trained model uses its knowledge to make decisions on new data. It's like the child who learned now recognizes a cat in a new picture they've never seen before. Nvidia already dominates the training market with its advanced GPU chips. But inference, that's a completely different story. And this is exactly where Groq excels. Groq has developed technology that dramatically optimizes inference processes. How? Through solving what's called the memory bandwidth bottleneck. Think of it this way. You have a super fast processor, but it has to constantly wait for information to arrive from memory. It's like having a Formula One car, but being stuck in traffic. Groq found a way to solve that traffic jam. Groq's technology focuses on two types of advanced memory: high bandwidth memory, HBM, memory with exceptionally high bandwidth. Instead of using regular memory that operates on a single channel, HBM stacks memory chips vertically and connects them through a super-fast interface with multiple channels. It's like upgrading from a 2-lane road to a highway with 16 lanes. Data simply flows much faster. SRAM, static random access memory. A type of memory that holds information as long as it has power, without needing refresh like regular DRAM. It's faster, more energy efficient, and more reliable. Exactly what's needed for real-time AI applications. Groq integrated these memory technologies into a unique chip architecture specifically optimized for AI inference. The result? Faster performance, lower energy consumption, and lower operating costs. Nvidia already leads the AI chip market, so why does it need Groq? The answer is strategic and multi-dimensional. Capacity expansion. Demand for AI applications is growing at a dizzying pace. Nvidia needs to expand its capabilities quickly to meet demand. Groq provides the technology to do this efficiently. Vertical integration. Nvidia wants to control more parts of the AI ecosystem, from hardware through software to applications. Acquiring Groq's technology and talent strengthens this control. Specialized chips. The industry is shifting from general GPUs to specialized chips tailored for specific tasks. Jonathan Ross, Groq's founder, is an expert in this field. His knowledge and experience are vital to Nvidia. The future of inference. While training models is a one-time process, inference happens millions of times every moment. Every time you use ChatGPT, every time an autonomous car identifies a pedestrian, every time your phone recognizes your face. The inference market is enormous, and Groq has developed an excellent solution for this. This deal is shaking up the entire industry, especially Nvidia's competitors. AMD is in a difficult position. It's hard for them to compete with Nvidia's integrated ecosystem that combines powerful hardware with advanced software solutions. Now, with the addition of Groq's technology, the gap only widens. Intel is struggling with structural disadvantages. It focused on processors, CPUs, for decades and was late to the AI market that relies on specialized solutions. Nvidia is now extending its advantage even further. Cloud providers. Companies like AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure rely heavily on Nvidia's technology. As Nvidia strengthens its dominance, cloud providers become increasingly dependent on its ecosystem, limiting their options and potentially affecting pricing. There's no shortage of people warning that AI is a bubble about to burst. They argue that many startups in the field are overvalued, driven by hype rather than sustainable business models. But Nvidia's investment decisions tell a different story. By strategically investing in companies like Groq, Nvidia signals confidence in AI's long-term growth potential. This isn't a passing trend. It's a foundation for future innovation. The growing acceptance of AI across various industries supports this optimism. Businesses recognize the transformative power of AI solutions in improving efficiency and driving growth. As AI technology continues to evolve, its integration into everyday applications will likely expand, paving the way for a more robust market. The regulatory environment surrounding Nvidia's deal is complex. Governments worldwide are becoming increasingly vigilant about monopolistic practices and market dominance, especially when it comes to large tech companies and infrastructure control. Nvidia handled this smartly through the deal's structure. The non-exclusive licensing agreement allows Groq to maintain operational independence while benefiting from Nvidia's resources. This approach not only alleviates concerns about monopolistic behavior, but also demonstrates Nvidia's commitment to fostering a competitive environment in the AI sector. The potential for large tech companies to explore private market investments is becoming increasingly clear. Many startups are achieving significant valuations, driven by innovation and demand for cutting-edge technology. As traditional tech giants face saturation in their core markets, evolving beyond existing business models becomes essential. By investing in private companies, these giants can access new growth areas and diversify their portfolios. This is particularly relevant for AI-related infrastructure and services, where demand for advanced solutions is skyrocketing. Investing in private firms specializing in AI technologies allows larger companies to stay ahead of the curve, foster innovation, and enhance their competitive edge. It's worth noting that not only large tech companies are interesting for AI investment. The industrial and utility sectors are also increasingly integrating AI technologies to improve operational efficiency, optimize resource management, and drive innovation. As a result, they present unique investment opportunities that extend beyond traditional tech firms. Investing in ancillary industries related to AI can offer lower-risk options, as these sectors often have established revenue streams and clear demand for technological advancements. For example, companies focused on AI-driven energy management or predictive maintenance in manufacturing are poised for growth, benefiting from broader adoption of AI solutions. This diversification encourages investors to explore a wider array of opportunities within the AI ecosystem. The future of AI technology and memory solutions is poised for significant evolution. As AI models become more sophisticated, the hardware and memory requirements needed to support them are also evolving. Traditional memory solutions, like DRAM, may struggle to keep pace with the speed and efficiency required for real-time AI inference and training. Consequently, there's an urgent need for innovative memory technologies that can provide higher bandwidth, lower latency, and greater energy efficiency. This ongoing evolution will likely lead to the development of hybrid memory architectures that combine the strengths of various memory types, SRAM, HBM, and emerging non-volatile memory solutions, to meet the diverse needs of AI workloads. We may also see the rise of neuromorphic computing, which mimics the way the human brain processes information. This approach could revolutionize memory solutions by enabling more efficient data storage and retrieval methods, ultimately leading to faster and more capable AI systems. The deal between Nvidia and Groq represents a pivotal moment in the AI industry. This isn't just a technology deal. It's a strategic investment in the future of AI, particularly in the inference domain that's set to become larger and larger as AI applications expand. The implications of this deal extend far beyond Nvidia and Groq. It affects competitors, cloud providers, and everyone involved in the AI ecosystem. It also reflects a broader trend of large tech companies investing in the private market and seeking growth opportunities beyond their traditional business models. For investors and those working in the field, this deal provides several important lessons. First, specialized technologies, especially those focusing on specific problems like memory bandwidth, are becoming increasingly critical. Second, vertical control of the technology ecosystem is becoming a key competitive advantage. Third, the AI inference market is an enormous market that's only beginning to grow. And finally, innovation in memory and hardware will continue to be a central driver of AI advancement. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to continue learning about the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give it a thumbs up, and share with friends. Do you have questions or opinions about this deal? Write to us in the comments. We're always happy to hear from you and discuss together. Stay updated, stay curious, and see you in the next video.